Hello and welcome to today's daily message. In my neighborhood in St. Louis, the call went out about a week ago inviting us to decorate our homes for Christmas early this year. That because of the pandemic and because we're not able to have our Christmas house tour, that we should try to spread some joy around the neighborhood. And so as you can see, I have already decorated the front of my house. I haven't yet set up my tree, but I'm getting there. So I know I'm violating the spirit of the Advent season by putting up my Christmas decorations so early, and I apologize for that. But I just thought that this was such an unusual year that it was important for me to try to find some joy and to spread some joy early before Christmas actually begins. And so I want to invite you to do the same. Not necessarily decorate your home early, but to do whatever it might take for you to find joy during this season of Advent as we prepare for the coming of the Lord in Christmas. Whether it's baking cookies or buying and wrapping gifts or sending out Christmas cards or whatever it might be, I hope that you can find a special joy in celebrating the Christmas season this year. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day today. Stay safe. Stay healthy.